So here comes Buster. He's a big boy. He seems to be pretty happy. He's also making his way out the door here. He's ready to leave. Are you ready to leave? Oh, you're just going to mark your territory? Okay. Say hello to the very nice boy. Alright, that's really nice. Like everybody, Chloe is going to see Nora and Buster right now. And they're both being very friendly with her. Oh, you like Nora? She's a pretty girl. She's like your sister. See, Minnie, what a nice boy you are. What a nice boy. Yes, you are. He's here with me right now. That's why you're sitting back of his head. You can see the tail wagging. There he is. Let's see your big face. Can I get your face? There's Chloe. See, Chloe's very energetic. And here we go. Here's Buster again. Buster just wants to be with people. I can tell you that right now. This is very much a people dog. Nice dog. Very nice. Oh, don't be in that dog's face. I guess that's one way to let him know what you think of him, huh? Cute. You're a very nice dog. Street dogs are the best. You know, he was a stray, came off the street. They're always the best dogs. They're always the best. Most well-adjusted. Yeah. Oh, you're going to say hi to him now? What a sweetie you are. Saying hi to these dogs. Some of them are barking at you. Don't care. Okay, so here's Buster. And he's back here for me to pet him. So, much of a picture. That's Buster. Great dog. I'm going to go say hello to Nora. Or no, that's Chloe. Nora's right here. There's Nora. And Nora, Chloe next door, and Buster on the other side. That's a great shot of Buster right there. I like that. Very good shot of him. See how calm he is? I'm not sure how old he is, but he's not a senior. He might be 4 or 5. He's very calm though, and there's no gray on his face. There's the blue merle gray. He's not an old boy at all. I don't think so when I saw him. I'm going to guess you're 5. 5 looks like about the right age. Coloring his face is about the same as Calypso's, and she is 5. Okay, so here we go. This is Buster.